Seconds away from picking up the countdown of Mission 61C. The countdown clock will start in 3 seconds. 2, 1. We're at -8 minutes, 57 seconds and counting. This is Shuttle Control.
RPS, start APU press recorders.
RPS verify.
The
LPS, place the fire room.
ground launch sequencer now in command.
Complete. Columbia launch director, air ground 1.
Go ahead, launch director.
Okay, we've looked at the weather and it looks real good. We'd like to give you guys a go ahead. We've enjoyed working with you. Look for you back here at KSC in about 6 days.
Well, thank you very much, Gene. We sure have enjoyed working with you and all the other very professional and competent people that we've dealt with down here on the National Lockheed team, and it's always a pleasure working with you, and we're looking forward to coming back also.
Yes, sir. You have a good flight. Flight OTC, proceed with the transmission at STCs.
Launch Director Gene Thomas and the flight crew aboard Columbia exchanging greetings and also wishing each other well, and thank you.
Okay, that's in order.
We're at -7 minutes, 48 seconds and counting, all going very well.
OTTPLT AC bus sensors complete.
Alright, copy.
LPD SRO 212.
So,
You have a final clear to launch.
thank you, sir.
Superintendent of Range Operations has given Lockheed Test Director Jim Toe a final clearance for launch.
Yeah, let's go.
The ground launch sequencer has started retracting the orbiter crew access arm, which is the walkway used by the astronauts to climb into the vehicle. The arm can be put back in place within about 15 to 20 seconds if an emergency arises, and the crew must evacuate the pad. T-7 minutes and counting. All systems aboard Columbia are a go. -6 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. As we come up on the T-6 minute mark, the orbiter test conductor should be giving the pilot a go to perform the auxiliary power unit restart.
Okay. And POT, I'd like to have you perform the APU pre-start, please.
APU pre-start in order.
OTC Don Weinberg has given pilot Boland a go to perform the APU pre-start. The pilot configuring switches in the cockpit to put the APUs in the ready-to-start configuration. -5 minutes, 50 seconds and counting.
OTCPLT, APU pre-start's complete. Pre-go talkback.
Okay, copy that. HYD, verify 1018.
APU pre-start reported complete.
HYD verified. Flight OTC, transmit DSM 1500.
Captain, where?
Mission Control now transmitting the signal to start the flight recorders. The two recorders will collect measurements of the shuttle system's performance during flight and will be played back after the vehicle is in orbit. Coming up on the 5-minute mark and a go for APU start.
OTC flight recorders are right.
Copy that. PLS go for orbiter APU start. APOT, you have a go to perform the APU start.
Okay, APU starts in work.
Pilot Bolton has been given a go for APU start, reported that in work. The LOX replenish has been terminated and LOX drainback has been initiated at this time.
CDR reconfigure heaters at this time.
CDR, okay. APU starts complete, 3 good systems.
APU start has been reported complete and 3 good systems reported by Pilot Bolden. This now limits our unplanned hold capability to 7 minutes if we should run into a problem between now and T-minus 31 seconds. Coming up on the T-minus 4 minute mark. Mark, T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
Sequence 4.
The final purge sequence of the main engines is now underway.
Flight crew, this time to close visors.
OTC Don Weinberg has requested the flight crew to close the visors on their launch and entry helmets. Okay. Minus 3 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. The vehicle is now on internal power, running off its onboard fuel cells, fed by ground reactants through the T0 umbilicals. Engine gimbal checks in progress.
Yeah, let's go for ET-LO2 pressurization.
External tank liquid oxygen pressurization has started, and purging of shuttle main engines has been terminated. The shuttle main engines have been placed in their start position. Minus 2 minutes, 40 seconds and counting.
And BOT, OTC, clear the caution warning memory and verify no unexpected errors.
Okay, that can work.
Orbiter test conductor Don Weinberg has just asked Pilot Bolden to clear the caution warning memory system of the orbiter and verify no unexpected errors. The gaseous oxygen vent arm is being retracted this time from the tip of the external tank.
Caution warning memory clear is complete with no unexpected or unexplained messages.
Okay, copy.
And Bolden reports back to the firing room, no unexpected errors in the clearing of the caution warning memory system.
Yeah, let's go for ET-LH2 pressurization.
Minus 1 minute, 50 seconds and counting. Liquid hydrogen replenish has been terminated and LH2 pressurization of flight level is underway. The vehicle is now isolated from ground loading equipment. Minus 1 minute, 38 seconds and counting. At T-minus 1 minute, the ground launch sequencer will verify the shuttle main engines are ready to start. And we're coming up on the T-minus 1 minute mark. T-minus 1 minute and counting. Sound suppression water system is now armed. T-minus 53 seconds and counting. Hydrogen burn igniters have been armed. The igniters will be fired at T-minus 10 seconds. T-minus 38 seconds. Orbiter computers have positioned the vent doors to the launch configuration. Coming up on auto sequence start. Minus 31 seconds.
Yeah, let's go for auto sequence start.
We have a go for auto sequence start. Columbia's general purpose computers now have primary control. T-minus 16 seconds. Everything is go. The orbiter's onboard computers have armed the SRB ignition.
We have cutoff.
We have a cutoff.
GLS safety in progress.
We have a cutoff at T-minus 14 seconds.
Copy that.
Ground launch sequence for spacing is in progress.
Down 06, GPC computer mode 5 switch to halt.
Okay, section GPC 5 to halt.
1, 2, and 3 showing purge 3. Ignition sample ordnance safe. Go for orbiter APU shutdown. No MPS fire detector
Procedures being put into effect at this time to shut down the orbiter's APUs. The access arm is being put back into position against the orbiter. We had an unexpected cutoff of the countdown at T-minus 14 seconds.
Go ahead, OTC.
Okay, can you verify ready for the APUs to be shut down?
I can verify that, OTC.
Okay. OTC.
Go ahead, OTC.
Okay, we're ready for APU shutdown.
Okay, APU shutdown's in work.
APU shutdown being put into work. All safety procedures are going smoothly. No indication of any problem. No indication at this time of what caused the premature cutoff of the countdown. Anytime inside of the T-minus 31 second mark when the orbiter's computers are in charge.
STE 1212. So, okay. It was the right hand APU B perfect.
A cutoff automatically stops the auto sequence.
First indication we got. Okay. We're looking at others. Understand.
OTC PLT, APU shutdown complete.
Okay, copy that.
APU shutdown has been reported complete.
SPE LTD. SPE. You verify we are not in a GLS abort, but a GLS hold? That's affirmative. We're in a GLS hold, which dictates 18, right? That's correct. Okay. GLS safety is complete.
Ground launch sequencer safing has been reported complete. We are in a GLS hold. We have confirmed we are not in a GLS abort, a ground launch sequencer abort. The ground launch sequencer imposed a hold on the count at approximately T-minus 14 seconds. At this time, we do not understand exactly why that occurred. All systems are safe aboard the orbiter.
Yeah, thank you, OTC. I'd like to have you reconfigure heaters at this time.
Okay, OTC, that's complete.
Okay, copy that.
Flight LTD.
LTD flight.
18013, BFS SPC buffer clear, ready for GA9 transition.